California king-size bed frame. This California king-size bed frame is elegant design for choosing right bedroom design ideas. A bedroom should be the coziest corner of the house. After a hectic day at work, when you come back home, the bedroom simply lures you with its compact contentment. The moment you close the door of your bedroom, you are away from the crude world outside, and now you are free to spend time with yourself or your loved ones. This is the reason why you should never compromise with the bedroom design with California king-size bed frame. The shades on the wall, accessories and decorative items should all complement each other. In fact, proper decoration is not only important for the aesthetic appeal of the bedroom, but it enhances the peace of mind of the owner of that room, and the California king-size bed frame will make the greatest difference. If you want to decorate your bedroom, you should always keep in mind that this is not just a place where you will be spending the nights. Apart from sleeping, there are many other important and regular activities a person does in his bedroom. Some people even like to read books and do their extra office work sitting in the bedroom. So when you are designing the bedroom decor, make sure you arrange in such a manner that you need not face any problem later. Selecting the furniture is the most important part of bedroom designing. A California king-size bed frame makes the bedroom a perfect one. The California king-size bed frame talked about above, combined with your inspiration, can get your bedroom design the look you always desired. Different materials are used for making furniture, so be careful for choosing the bedroom design. With the California king-size bed frame, making our bedroom design as fashionable and as comfortable as possible is what most homeowners are hoping to achieve. You should focus your considered attention like California king-size bed frame while arranging the pieces in the bedroom. As easy access will provide a spacious look to the bedroom, you can keep the furniture away from bedroom doorways. The decorating theme should include the accessories and furniture in order to give a spacious look to the bedroom. This site also has some gallery reference for you. Choose California king-size bed frame. All design was created with the best design and impressive detail furniture. And some examples of the ideas is California king-size bed frame. Every reference of bedroom design inspiration have been selected and chosen by the best design, beautiful furniture, elegant model and trend of bedroom design ideas. Now to give you the true characteristic of California king-size bed frame itself. The furniture you put in your bedroom will have great impact on the appearance of the room. If you like the idea of California king-size bed frame, I would like you to support and help us developing more experience by sharing this bedroom design idea, or click some related posts below for more pictures and further information. Moreover, you can help us grow by sharing this reference of the bedroom design inspiration on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. The Contact Us will also be available for you to give and share your comments with us. We would like to be open for your every comment and every suggestion. Good luck for selecting best California king-size bed frame for your dream bedroom design.